Bug, 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 bug.
Becky! No!
She can't hear you! She's got the marbles!
Brace yourself! Diaper touching down! Ow!
Run for it! Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Eddie!
I'm okay, Rick.
She's playing Ant Wars!
Yeah, and you taught her pretty good.
Me? You're the one who taught her!
Rick, come on! The drone's caught under that stick.
We gotta get it off before she opens up with the squirt gun! Gotta move it more!
Too late!
Grab on!
Come on, you can make it!
A little more!
There! Over there! Phew. We'll be lucky if any of us make it through this alive.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, that's what this is about, isn't it?
All they wanted was for us to feel what it was like. I mean, to be on the receiving end. Not much fun on this side, is it?
If we ever get out of this, Rick, I promise I'll never...
Teddy! Teddy! Teddy?
I'm okay. Again.
Then let's run for it!
Bang, bang, bang.
Uh-oh. The minefield!
Charge! Now! Teddy! Teddy! Teddy!
Here, Rick!
Where are the others? The drone?
They're safe. Oh, I never thought we'd make it.
You had to say that.
Oh no! She's got the magnifying glass!
She doesn't know how to use it.
She doesn't have to. She's gonna finish us off with her bare hands! I love you, Rick. Bye.
Keep her busy. Tell her a story.
Bug, bug, bug.
Ah!
Sorry, sis.
Ow!
You did it! Thanks, guys. Or girls and guy. Tell them, Rick, about our promise. I think they kind of understand you.
What Teddy means is, well, we understand what we've been putting you through.
Do we ever?
We don't exactly know how we got here, but if we ever get back, well,
From now on, we're on your side. Okay, so cake's waiting. Let's celebrate!
oh no!
All this way and not even a nibble.
Look!
Come on! This could be our only chance!
Thanks!
Come on! Come on! Oh no! We'll never get up in time.
Try, Teddy! Try! What? Thanks again.
We did it!
Where on earth have you boys been? Just look at you!
Studying nature?
Uh-huh. Well, while you were busy not watching your sister, she stuck herself with a thistle.
Sorry, Mom.
Burgers, coming right up.
No thanks, Dad. This'll do.
What the?
Now, where are you going?
Come and get it.
Look at him go!
Look! It finally happened. It's gonna be a nice colony.
Yeah.
So you love me, huh?
Quite a lesson for our anti-heroes, I'm so happy Rick and Teddy discovered that the insect world is a marvelous place. Oh, look! 2 bugs about to be joined in matrimony. From the moment he first spied her, he wanted to make that girl his happily wedded wife. Uh-oh, there's a fly in the ointment. Marrying a Black Widow could make things a bit sticky. Oh dear! Pardon me if I seem a little antsy, but my little friends are being antisocial. But then again, why make a mountain out of an anthill? Remember, don't step on the ants. They might make you say, Uncle.